Okay, good day everyone. It's Total Investor here, everyone's favorite YouTube investment channel. What we normally do here on this particular channel is review and go over trading and investment opportunities in the markets, which could be either commodities, stocks, or sometimes even cryptos. And today, I'd like to review commodities, specifically dealing with the US dollar. But before I go any further, I'd like for you to do me and yourself a big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. All you have to do is just down below the video here, there's a big red button that says subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. That will allow YouTube to notify you whenever a new video comes out. Okay, so today let's start reviewing the chart patterns of 4 different stocks and commodities, and we're going to start off with the US dollar index. Okay, the symbol for this is DXU21, meaning that this is the September futures contract for the US dollar index. What we see here, this is again a 6-month chart. We see that the index made a double top here. It actually made a new high. However, it did not translate into a higher high in the RSI. That was a warning, and it looks to be petering out. We currently have the index, the RSI, below 50. It's currently trading at 92.63, and it looks that it wants to start trading below the 2 moving averages that I have here. Okay, now they have not yet crossed. However, that seems like it is very likely. Down here in the DIs, they have crossed into bearish, and we have the ADX, which is at a low 12. Okay, so nothing very promising here on the dollar index. I think it's had a nice move from 89.5 all the way up to 93.5. That's a nice 400-point move in what's that, June, July, August, roughly 3 months. Okay, and I think it wants to rest from here. Okay, what does that mean for other commodities or stocks? Well, let's take a look at the next chart here, and that is the euro. The big beneficiary in terms of other currencies will be the euro. Okay, look again, this is a 6-month chart. We had a low at around 117.5, broke below that. Now we're above that. So we went from support and it broke back above that. Okay, that could be considered as slightly bullish. We have the 10-day moving average, which is now slipping up. The currency is trading above that. That's bullish. It's actually touching the other moving average, which is the 50-day moving average. Okay, we have the RSI being above 50. That's bullish, and the DIs have crossed into bullish territory. Okay, so we've got everything that looks like it wants to move higher. Now, of course, it's moving higher versus the US dollar. Okay, I don't think that this is going to be a multi-year bull for the foreign currencies versus the US dollar, because there's a lot of elections that are coming up. The big one that will affect the euro is in Germany. I believe that will be at the end of September. Okay, Canada has one September the 20th, and Germany will have one right after that. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. And Merkel's numbers, or at least the party, is not looking very good. So we'll see how that has an effect on the euro. What will it affect with the US dollar? Well, one thing is gold. We see that it crashed. It found some support here at around 1680 once, twice, and then 3 times, and quickly jumped back up. Okay, it looks like that was just a flash crash. It has moved up since then, although seems to be getting a little bit tired. We've got some resistance here at around 1840. Will it have enough energy to break through that? Well, we'll see. We did break above 50 on the RSI. That's looking good. Two moving averages have crossed, and the price is above that, or both of them. That's good. And we're right on top of each other on the DI. So that's modestly bullish. Okay. Now, if you don't want to take advantage of the actual metal itself, one way to play that is the gold stocks. In this case, GDX. Okay, this is VanEck Gold Miners. It's the ETF that trades on in New York. What we see here, one thing that I like to point out, right at $31, give or take, is an important number. Okay, it had resistance up here way back in late 2019. Resistance again in March. Actually, sorry, that would be, I think that was February of 20. And once it broke through that, it became support. Okay, so resistance later became support. Here, again, back in May of 21, and then just recently. So, what could this mean? Well, it could be a double bottom here. If it is, there's tremendous opportunity for profit. Okay, now we do have to be very careful because we are still below the 50 on the RSI. We still have the DIs in bearish territory, and the stock is trading below both moving averages. Okay, so everything is still bearish. However, this is an opportunity for those who are willing to take on a little bit of risk, trying to buy stock cheap. Okay, it's something that you would not be going in on a full position, maybe a quarter of a position to start. And of course, the reason for doing so is you're getting in near strong support. If, of course, it doesn't work out, you get out with a very small loss. But the opportunity is there to make substantial returns. Where can this go? Well, what you would do is you would take this point here, which is about $40, and this point right here, level of support at 31. That's a $9 difference. You would add $9 to 40, and you would get 49. That is the target. Okay, if big F, if it works out. So first, it has to break through 40. Okay, it might find some resistance there. But if it does break through, then the next target would be 49. So $32, $33 to 49, that's a good solid return. Okay, again, pure speculation. That's the case with everything, all the charts that I have mentioned. Okay, nothing's guaranteed, and what I've shown you right now is purely for educational purposes. Okay, not to be considered financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I don't know you, so I can't offer you financial advice. But this is what traders and investors are looking at. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding these 4 charts or any other charts that you would like me to review, please let me know in the comments section. Again, big thumbs up if you like this particular charts in my review, and please subscribe. Hit the red button and you'll be subscribed. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.